The Borrowdale residence of David Kudakwashe Mnangagwa became the stage for an unsolved mystery. David, Deputy Finance Minister and son of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, experienced two audacious security breaches. On June 23rd, unusual noises echoed through the house. Officers found nothing at first, only to discover a bag in the ceiling packed with personal items, torn documents and damaged electronics. 2 days later, on June 25th, the so-called ghost raider struck again, leaving 6 bullet casings near Mnangagwa's bedroom door and on the lawn. Despite a canine unit combing the property, there was no trace of the intruder and no signs of forced entry. How does one infiltrate a house under armed guard twice and vanish without a trace? The mystery deepens, leaving the police and the nation baffled. Stay tuned for more updates on this chilling saga on Zim News Live YTS. Could it really be a ghost raider? Leave your thoughts down below.